So today our topic is Newton's backward interpolation method. This formula is useful when the value of fx is required near the end of the table. So what is the difference between Newton's forward and Newton's backward formula? The forward formula should be used when calculating the value of a point near x0 and backward one when calculating near xn. In our previous video, we already learned what is interpolation. In the mathematical field of numerical analysis, interpolation is a method of constructing new data points, say xy, within the range of a discrete set of known data points, say x0, y0, x1, y1. Discussion. Given the set of n plus 1 values from x0, y0 to xn, yn. So, total n plus 1 values. If x equals to xi, where xi lies between x0 to xn, that is interpolation, means there is one x value xi that lies between x0 to xn. Newton's backward difference interpolation formula is useful for interpolation near the end of the tabular values. So, xi value is near the end of the tabular values. Now, it is required to find yxi. Let the values of x be equidistant, that is equal interval points, means the difference between x1 to x0, x2 to x1 are equal. So, what should be the formula? Formula is y equals to fx equals to yn plus p into, this symbol is called nabla, p into nabla yn plus p into p plus 1 divided by factorial 2 nabla square yn plus p into p plus 1 p plus 2 divided by factorial 3 nabla cube yn and so on, where p equals to x minus xn by h. Formation of backward difference table. See, how many set of values are there? It is 5. So, how many number of columns are there? Less than 1. So, total number of columns should be 4. So, what is nabla y4? It is y4 minus y3. What is nabla y3? It is y3 minus y2. What is nabla y2? It is y2 minus y1. And what is nabla y1? It is y1 minus y0. Now, the next column. What is nabla square y4? It is nabla y4 minus nabla y3. What is nabla square y3? It is nabla y3 minus nabla y2. In this way, you have to make the total table. Take one mathematical problem. Using Newton's backward interpolation formula, find F42 for the following data. See the table. X values are given, corresponding Fx values are given. So, when the value of x is 42, what is the value of F42? I have to calculate. And here we are using Newton backward interpolation formula. Why? Because if 42 value is near to the end of this x values. Okay. So, first I have to draw the table. In this table, how many number of columns are there? Except x and fx, there should be 5 columns. Why? Because how many sets of values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 set of values are there. So, here should be 5 column. Now, first write all x values, that is 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and corresponding fx values, these values. Now, I have to make the total table. So, what is this value? It is 204 minus 231. Next, 231 minus 260. Next, 260 minus 291. Next, 291 minus 332. And next value is 332 minus 354. Now, the next column. It is minus 27 minus 29. In this way, I have to complete total table. So, what is x? X is 42, where I want to get the value fx. So, x is 42. What is xn? Last value of x is, it is 45. What is h? Common difference, that is from 20 to 25, 25 to 30, it is 5. So what is P? P equal to x minus xn divided by h. So I get the value of P. Now the formula. So the formula for Newton's backward interpolation formula is this. So what is F42? F42 is, see, first yn. What is yn? Yn is 204. Only see the black colored number. Okay. First yn is 204. Next, plus P into nabla yn. What is P? P is minus 0.6. So, minus 0.6 into nabla yn, that is minus 27, plus P into P plus 1 divided by factorial 2 nabla square yn, that is P into P plus 1 divided by factorial 2 nabla square yn means 2. Next, nabla cube yn is 0, so plus 0. Next, P into P plus 1, P plus 2, P plus 3, nabla to the power 4 yn, that is 8, divided by factorial 4. Next value is this. And after calculation, I get the result F42 equals to 219. Now it's time to practice. So this is your practice problem set from Newton's backward interpolation method. Try to solve this problem. First pause your video, take one screenshot and then solve. If you are facing any problem, then comment me in the comment section so that I will give you the solution. So I am showing all problems. Answer is given at the end of any problem by blue ink. For getting more and more updates, please like, share and subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.